how to mirror camera on Google Meet. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that if there is a way to mirror camera on Google Meet. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the Google Meet in your browser. So from here you'll have to type for meet.google.com. Alright, so after you open the Google Meet, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to just join any meetings on Google Meet. So after you join any meetings on Google Meet, you'll be able to see so many features on that. So from there, you can share your screen, switching your camera, or you can share your presentation on the Google Meet. So unfortunately, there is no any such features like you can mirror your screen on Google Meet. So you can as usual share your screen on Google Meet. So there is no any such features that have provided by the Google Meet. So you can as usual use your screen share option and use your camera icon. So from there you can easily access that option. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.